How are you all? You all are? Yes, I know you all are doing well. Today we will see a new lesson from a textbook, that is from course book, that unit number 6, the animal kingdom. If we hear the word this animal, imagination means the picture comes. Animals, there are different types of animals are there. Huge animals, tiny animals, small animals, there are leopards are there, birds are there, insects are there. About completely nature, the God has given that. Okay, so we are in that also. We are going to be learn the section C, that is birds. In these animals, we are seeing in this lesson the birds and Salim Ali. Salim Ali, the name of personality. Okay, so we will see a short biography, a very short story about Dr. Salim Ali. Okay, now here a person who studies plants called botanist. A person who studies animals are called zoologist. Those who learn studies completely about all types of animals are called zoologist. A person who studies birds, complete whole birds, different types of birds are called ornithologist. Ornithologist, that only we are going to be seeing in our lesson, that is, who is ornithologist? About the ornithologist. Birds, he studies about the birds. Who has studied? Dr. Salim Ali Mozuddin Abdul Ali. In short, we say Salim Ali. So, he is a ornithologist. Studied about the all types of birds. Which types of birds are there? What they can do? Which spots are there? Which type of beaks are there? Where they live? What type of their food is there? Their claws, their feet, means their eyes, all the studies about complete birds called ornithologist, and that in that we are going to be seeing this only. And a person who studies insects, small insect, a person who studies small insects is called an entomologist. And a person who studies man, is called a sociologist. So dear children, in this lesson, we'll see about Dr. Salim Ali, a first Indian ornithologist. Okay, born on 12th of November 1896 and died on 20th June 1987 at the age of 91. Was an Indian ornithologist and naturalist. Nature, studies about nature. Sometimes referred, we sometimes say to him a bird man. Bird man. Okay, bird and this Salim Ali, we say bird. Some says bird man. Why bird man? Because he knows everything about birds. About all types of birds. So sometimes we say him bird man of India. Who is a missile man of India? Yes, dear children, you are correct. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, 11th President of India. We call him missile man. Why missile man? Because he has studied about completely the missile, the aeroplane, the space, and he was a scientist. So we say, so the same thing, we call Dr. Salim Ali as a bird man because he studied about birds. Okay, so the first Indian, and he was the first Indian to conduct the systematic bird surveys. Systematic, each and everything, means he studied that surveys across India, and he wrote several bird books that popularized ornithology in India. He has written many books about on birds. And see here in this lesson, when he was the ninth child of his parents. उसके घर में 9वां नंबर, मतलब काफ़ी भाई बहन थे, वो भाई बहनों में डॉक्टर सलीम अली का नंबर 9th वाला नंबर था. And when he was very small, dear children, his parents died. And because his parents died, they went, and this Salim Ali also went to his uncle's place to live with them. And there, and his uncle was always accompanied with a royal families. Royal family जो अमीर लोग जो थे, जो हमेशा शिकारी पर जाते थे, उनके साथ उनके ये सलीम अली के अंकल हमेशा जाया करते थे. So शिकार के लिए, for hunting. Then he also, once his uncle has taken him to along with them, and when he was just 10 years old boy, his uncle had given him a small toy gun. Toy gun, sometimes we put a small stones and all charra and for we put the trigger. So for toy, that is a toy gun. But when he got that, so he saw that one bird and he shot it down. That bird, that Salim Ali shot it down. And that bird fell down. Instantly, he went to that bird. Instantly, he went to that bird to see that whether it is live or dead. And when he saw that, then he picked up that bird and took him to his uncle. Salim Ali has taken that bird and took him to the uncle. And he asked his uncle that what is on his neck, the black yellow spot is there. What is this, uncle? But uncle was also unable to answer that question. Then that uncle has taken this small 10 years child Salim Ali to Bombay, that is the Bombay Natural History Society, a secretary to the Bombay Natural History Society, and that his name was Millard, Marlard, Millard. Then he asked many questions to him. Salim Ali asked that secretary many questions, and there he found not only the yellow spot, but the other, what is there in his body about the other parts also. And asking his interest, that Millard, that secretary, when he saw that the small boy is asking many questions, he was really interested, and he took this Salim Ali to the museum where the stuffed birds were kept. Stuffed birds in the museum, if you go to the museum, you will get the different types of instruments and all different types of museums are there, but this museum, or the place was there where the stuffed birds were kept. Means when they are killing, when the dead birds are there, they are stuffing something in that bird with the chemicals and all, and they keep in the museum. But when we see those birds, we feel that is as if it is alive. Not dead but live. So that secretary showed him the stuffed birds, and when the Salim Ali came back home, he came with 2 books from there. He came 2 books to get him started. Common Birds of Bombay and Naturalist on the Prawn. Okay, and frequently after that he got interest, and frequently he used to go on that place. After when he was 18 years old, he has not taken that much education, and when he was 18 years old, he went to Berlin to his cousin brother, to help him in his business. And there they had started timber business. Timber means lakdi ka business. For that purpose, every time they used to go to jungles and the forest. And there, whenever he used to get the time, he used to see the birds. And he was studied that, and after that he identified. Then after when his business was not in that much profit, it was in loss, so they had come to Mumbai again. And when he has come to Mumbai, he was just 22 years old, and he got married with one lady. That her name was Tehmina. Okay, and she also supported him very well, because she also knew a little bit about the birds and all. And after that, he wanted to take the study about this bird, but in the Independence Day, before the Independence Day, because he was born in 1896. And when he wanted to take the education, but India, there was not proper education about birds, special degree about the bird. So he went to Germany, and in the Germany he has taken train under one personality to study about birds. When he came back to India, there he started his journey and working on the complete birds. And when he was doing all these things, many people, where the one near the Hyderabad, there was one wetland means puri giri zameen, but the people want to do the cultivate field crops on that. But Salim Ali convinced them, don't do that. Let it be like this only. We can conserve the birds on the at this place. So they understood that, and in this way he was doing much work and studying much work on these birds. By seeing all his efforts on birds, he got the government has awarded Dr. Salim Ali as a Padma Vibhushan award. It's a very great civilian award, and he worked for very interior places also. So here, then after at the age of 91, he died, leaving behind a rich legacy of ornithologists and bird watching. Here is the short summary of this lesson. In the next lecture, dear children, we will see a detailed explanation from the textbook. I hope you understood this story very well. Thank you.